I might actually have to shower tonight now.
No! So we let Old Orange Popsicle drain out as long as it can. Then we got another pan down there to catch when we take the plug out of the side of the block. Right down there. Recording. A little bit easier.
You know, we just got all the fans running now. Any thoughts about the current proceedings?
Well, came loose. Salt water. Salt water tastes good.
Antifreeze feels great down.
Antifreeze feels good.
See, antifreeze would be okay, except for it leaves everything just a little bit sticky. So.
Helps you work faster.
Well, it helps it work slower.
Can you see? You can't see it.
Just a little bit. Good. Alright, just get up. Light, just like right up here.
So what day is it today?
Tuesday.
The 27th?
No.
December?
Yep.
It's Christmas.
2 days.
It's Monday, Sunday.
Yes.
So, what a good way to spend a Christmas break.
Oh yeah. My thing is, we got a Christmas party in the shop in 3 days, 4 days, or whatever.
So we gotta finish this so we can clean. Okay, we'll come back when we get her out. So there's the plug. She is very brass and came out pretty good. A lot of threads. Now I want to put the heater in.
I might actually have to shower tonight now.
No! Stop dripping off the side when you move this.
Still, there's just stuff dripping off the block, but there's the hole that we got the stuff out of. So technically, you're actually not supposed to use a rag like this to clean, because the threads can actually get stuck in stuff. But because it's only the water passages, it doesn't matter that much. But never do this to your oil passages, because if a thread gets stuck in there, it won't like break down like a paper towel will. So yeah. So there we go. Now we're gonna put that thingy in. So we'll update you when we have that started.
There is our block heater plug. Runs down to the depths. Just started zip tying everything in place. Whoa. So we're going to keep with orange. A little spendier than swapping over completely over to green, but there you go. Peak, not a sponsor. So started filling it up and letting it bubble out, kind of gravity, action, whatever you want to call it. And then you run it for a while until the thermostat opens, and you kind of keep pumping the hose and see where we go from there. But we got her done. Not too much of a disaster was had by all. So, quick reminder for those who planning on doing this, if you haven't already, you need a 17 millimeter hex to get that plug out of there. 17 millimeter to do that. And then the block heater itself is a 26. Does that sound right, kid? 26 mil?
Yep.
Okay. To snug it up. And then you want to get it up to operating temperature, check for leaks, and go from there. We got heat coming. We got wind. We got fire, which is good. So, thank you much. Thanks for sticking around with Minnesota is Rust on our quest to 200, and then 1,000, and then 1,000,000 subs. Right?
You skipped 100,000 and 500,000.
We'll it'll go so fast, won't even know. But.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you much. Like,
gotta
share.
get some more intriguing content first.
Block heaters is where it's at, dude. Block heaters.
Just you guys wait for next summer.
Yeah, summertime warms up a little bit. Won't live anywhere else, of course, but summertime warms up. We get out in the sticks, getting some junk running. So, well, that being said, thank you much. Antifreeze.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor. LS powered. Vortex.